Hello, welcome. My name's Maddie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change details on the Messy Church directory. If you need to know how to set up a Messy Church on the directory or how to register an account on the Messy Church website, you'll find links below. So for now, we have an account, so let's log in. And today I'm going to be Alex Smith. Okay, I'm putting my password. And the last bit is to do a simple maths question to make sure we're not a robot. Excellent, so we're logged in. So when we come to the accounts page, a profile page, you'll see any Messy Churches that you own under this bit. So it says that you are the administrator for these churches. If you click on View, you'll come to the page that details all the things that are showing on the directory for your Messy Church. So today, Alex Smith is no longer the contact for our Messy Church, so I want to change the details. So we go up to Edit, and it will bring you to a form that has all the information that you filled out when you registered the Messy Church. It's the same place that you would go if you wanted to add in any dates or amend when your Messy Church is being held. So I'm going to change the contact to be Paul Smith. And they've got a different telephone number. And we'll change the email address to but this time Paul Smith doesn't want their email address on the website, so we're going to untick this tick box here so that it doesn't display. So once you've made all the changes you want to make to your directory entry, you scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit Save. It'll take you back to your Messy Church page, and you can see that the details have changed. There's no longer a Messy Church contact email address here, and the name has changed. So that is all you need to do to edit your directory entry on the Messy Church website.